In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer in a Microsoft Forms quiz. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of time pressure to your quizzes, or simply ensure they're completed within a certain window, this feature can be quite handy. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to set this up seamlessly. First, open up a web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other that you prefer. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Forms and click on the official Microsoft Forms link from the search results. This will take you to the Microsoft Forms homepage, a versatile tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. Upon arriving at Microsoft Forms, what you need to do next is to sign in. Ensure you're using the account associated with your quizzes. It could be a Microsoft 365 account, or any other account that you use to manage your forms and quizzes. Use your credentials to log in securely. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your forms and quizzes are listed. This is where you can select the specific quiz for which you'd like to set a timer. Browse through your list of quizzes, and once you've located the one you wish to modify, click on it to open it. Now that you have your quiz open, it's time to head over to the settings. To do this, navigate to the top right corner where you see the Settings option. Click on it, and you will see a menu drop down before you. Scroll down this menu until you reach the section labeled Options for Responses. This is where you'll find various customization options for how respondents interact with your quiz. In the Options for Responses section, locate the Time Duration feature. This is what allows you to specify the amount of time participants have to complete the quiz. Click on it to activate the feature. Finally, you need to set the duration. There will be a field provided where you can enter the number of minutes you want the timer to run for. For instance, if you want the quiz to last 5 minutes, carefully enter 5 into this space. Make sure that everything is correctly entered to avoid any issues during the quiz. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a time limit to your Microsoft Forms quiz. Remember to save your changes before closing the settings, ensuring that the timer feature is activated when participants next take your quiz. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make your quizzes more dynamic and efficient. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have fun quizzing!